Courtrooms are usually jam-packed during high-profile criminal hearings, though the pandemic has forced us to rely more on technology. Yesterday, nearly 6,000 people logged on to a live stream on YouTube as the Toronto van attack verdict was read out virtually. And in that moment, public access to trials here in Canada may have changed forever.
Zoom and trials and how we're accomplishing that the system will never go back.
It would have taken roughly 120 courtrooms filled to capacity to accommodate the thousands who watched the van attack verdict. A massive feat, according to criminal lawyer Kim Schofield.
As a cornerstone of democracy, the openness of the court system has been kind of left in the dark ages, so to speak. Judgments are important. Rulings are important for the public to understand that justice is actually being done in our courthouses.
More than 20,000 people watched online as off-duty cop Michael Terrio was found guilty of assaulting DeFonte Miller in November 2020. That same month, the weeks-long van attack trial was held virtually. Justice Anne Malloy presided over the trial from her home. The media were granted access to a Zoom link, and members of the public could watch on projector screens from inside the Metro Toronto Convention Centre and a sprawling room inside a Front Street high-rise. Beyond the public, there are other parties to consider if virtual trials are to become the new normal, namely victims and their families, who often find support and solidarity when coming together. Yesterday, they gathered inside the University Avenue courthouse to watch the live stream as the van attack killer received his sentence.
We really didn't want to be alone. So when we got here and found all these people, we were so grateful that we could share this moment with them.
We missed out on the experience of being there in the courtroom and feeling it as anyone would feel when they're going through this in a normal situation.
The magnitude of the van attack trial made it a compelling virtual test.
A trial with multiple victims, a trial involving psychiatric evidence while in the course of a pandemic.
I'm a big convert personally to Zoom. I thought that the technology worked great and it proved that we can do serious cases by Zoom.
This was a very, very important trial, perhaps one of the most in the last decade and a half.
A virtual trial may also be more cost-effective for defendants. Their lawyers might not have to bill them for the hours they wait inside a courthouse for their case to be called. Though there's still some concerns for the justice system when it comes to virtual hearings, and that is people recording audio and video on their devices, something that's still banned here in Canada. I'm Adrian Ghobrial for City News.